I get to do one of my favorite things and unbox some shoes. Plus, guess who hit on the restock? Hey guys, it's your girl AnEyeIVKicks. Welcome back to the channel. If you haven't already done so, make sure you check out my most recent video, the one that I had the interview with the amazing podcast, Everything But Religion. They are through Powered by Virginia Radio. Make sure you check them out as well. Right after I did the interview, which by the way, the interview was phenomenal. Your girl can talk days about sneakers, so I was definitely in my element. Love being on their show. Hope I get to be on again soon. But right after the interview, your girl managed to cop a W. So as most of you know at this point, the University Blue, the Jordan 1 Retros, that baby blue beautiful shoe, did do a restock as stores were starting to get their shipments in. So yesterday, of course, all the sites were crashing, all the foot apps were crashing because everybody was trying to check their reservations and claim them. Your girl got waitlisted, but by the time I was done with my interview, I was able to score the pair because so many people were unable to claim due to the crashing of the apps. So without waiting any longer, let's go ahead and check these out. I know, thing is about this shoe is it's not really a shoe that I was like going crazy for, but it's definitely a super hyped shoe. I guess you can say I bought into the hype a little bit. It is a beautiful shoe. I'm not a big, trying to figure out where to put this box. I'm not a big wearer of the baby blue, but these kind of fell into my lap with the reservations yesterday. Again, I wasn't going to go for them at resale. If I didn't get them, it was just on to the next. But not only did I hit on these in my size yesterday, but I also still had a $20 gift card that I had redeemed on the apps with my Flex points. So I mean, copping this shoe and under retail, I guess I'll just add it to the collection. I did think about, reselling it, but the shoe is really beautiful, and it's just kind of one of those things that once you get it in hand, it's really hard to let go. So yeah, add that to my collection. And I do have another shoe that arrived today. This was a last minute cop. I do have another shoe that I had ordered about a week ago. It finally came in today. If you've been watching my videos and you're caught up with everything, then you probably have a good idea what shoe I ordered, what shoe came in today. Make sure that you comment below, what do you think it is? Also, go ahead and comment if you got it right or not based on, what you see. So let me go ahead and unbox this shoe. I do have a second shoe on the way. Had a couple issues with StockX. The seller did not ship the shoe in the allotted time frame, so I got that refund. Not very happy about that, but I just went ahead and rebought the shoe. Not a big deal. So I've been waiting all day for these, you guys. You don't even understand. Like, I watched the delivery guy. We have a camera outside, and which is phenomenal for when you constantly have sneakers delivered. But I watched the guy walk up and drop off the shoes. Like, so excited. So this is actually, it's not a retro Jordan. But again, if you guys have been watching and following and subscribed, and before I go ahead and reveal the shoe, if you're not subscribed already or you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like the video, comment below, as I said, make your guess really quick. What am I gonna open up? Also, make sure you check out some of the previously posted videos. I got some really great information, some really great stuff to see there, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything moving forward. All right, so without waiting any longer, the suspense is killing you guys, I know it. Does anybody know what is in this box? So it is the Nike Air Force One Valentine's Day. I don't know if you can see the label, but let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Again, I know you guys have heard me talk about this shoe so much. Oh, this is cute. Even the paper, this is gonna be really hard to show you guys on camera, but I don't know if you can see that paper. Says a forever love. So they went hard on the details. I mean, if you saw the little heart on the eye right here, they weren't playing any games. This is actually my first time seeing the packaging, but I have seen the shoe in hand multiple times at different reseller shops. Guys, it's so beautiful. Like, I'm obsessed. This shoe is absolutely gorgeous. And again, it's got all my tiny little hearts all over the toe box. And then we've got on the side the little hearts, and we've even got the tiny little heart on air right here. And then of course, you know, they're the Valentine's Day love letters. So we have to make sure that we mention the little love letters on the shoe. I am so excited. This is my second Air Force One. I am super excited to be able to finally add this to the collection. So yeah, I absolutely love it. Were you right with what you guessed what I had? I'm pretty sure I can guess the other answers that are going to be down there, but you guys will have to make sure you tune in to see what I have coming in the mail next. Like I said, I did go ahead and order another shoe. So I just wanted to make sure that I saved these shoes so that I could unbox it and enjoy opening that brand new shoe with you guys. You know, I appreciate all of you for tuning in, and until next time, it's your girl AnEyeIVKicks. Tune in to see what I've got my eye on next.